What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kelvin Christopher here with another great episode of That Viva Guy, and today it's gonna be a little bit different as I'm gonna be unboxing the brand new OSMO Action. That's right, I just received this in the mail today, and I'm really excited to see what it's all about, because previously I've been using GoPros, and I am a DJI fan, as I have all DJI drones, so I decided to go with the OSMO Action. And in fact, I have the OSMO Pro and the original OSMO with the X3 as well. So this is going to be quite exciting, especially with the new features with the stabilization. Rock Steady, I think is what it's called, maybe not. Anyway, let's get going with the unboxing. Enough talking. Let's rip this plastic off. Yeah. Let's see what's in the box. This is actually my first unboxing, by the way, on this channel, just so you guys know. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more. As I get new gear, I'll be unboxing them and doing a review. So on this item, I'll be sure to do a review and show you what the footage looks like from the DJI OSMO Action. Well, here we go. This looks pretty cool. We got the main camera there. And let's see what else we have in the box. Have another box here. Right. And that is the unboxing of the DJI OSMO Action. Now let's take this baby on the road. I'm using the OSMO Action right now to film this, and I'm gonna head over to Scotty and continuing the review that I started with the unboxing of this wonderful device. I really like the front facing screen right now. I can see myself, I can monitor my framing. This is awesome. But the real test is gonna be on the road, alright? Gonna head over to Scotty's house right now in Jolly Harbor. We're gonna do some weightless shoots for a music video that he's doing right now, and pretend that I'm out of space in a space station floating around. So this is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna use a couple accessories that I got with the Action to do some mounting, and I'm gonna mount it in the car. I'm gonna put it on a mini tripod. I don't remember the proper name for the small ones, spider pod, something like that. But anyway, let's go along on the journey. Join me, man. Join me. In the car. And now I'm gonna set this baby up on my glass so I can see myself. Let's see how that goes. Just hit the road, and I'm gonna head to Wag's Barbershop before I head out to Jolly Harbor. Cause I gotta look good, man. Look at my face. I need a haircut. Hopefully his shop isn't full, and I can get a quick slot in, because I'm gonna be late. Scotty's gonna be pissed.
Your hair looks lovely.
Oh, thank you. Privacy. This
Oh, hey, man.
is the Osmo Action.
Let's see this thing.
Yeah?
Is that crazy or what?
You. Yep, this is Scotty Mead. Alright? Big guy. He's the legend, not me. I just won the other day.
See you tomorrow. Thank you.
Alright, take care.
All right, man.
Had fun.
Yeah.
It was a lot of fun.
Like the bush list.
Thanks.
Okay, buddy. See you tomorrow, 10 o'clock, yeah?
Yes, 10.
Okay.
I'll try to be here on time this
Okay,
time.
and I'll try to get up early.
Okay. Alright, take care, Scotty. Scotty Mead, people. Just did a weightless shoot. That was fun. Actually, I didn't expect it to be that fun, but it was pretty good. Alright, so we're hitting the beach, Long Bay Beach on the beautiful island of Antigua. My daughter dancing on the sand, and I'm taking the DJI OSMO Action out for a spin in the water to see what it's like, because it's supposed to be waterproof. Yeah, so let's see what images we get. Ah, yeah, that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. But then the unexpected happened. Yep, that's right. Water damage.